Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be reviewing an exciting product that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and why it could be perfect for you.
This 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser is a game-changer for cooking. With a 470 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for olive oil, making air frying, salads, BBQs, and roasting healthier and easier. The sleek black design is both functional. This tool is a game-changer in the kitchen. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, making it super durable and easy to clean. The holder has sharp, evenly spaced prongs that make slicing onions, potatoes, tomatoes, and even meat incredibly simple and precise. No more struggling with uneven cuts or slippery veggies. It's also very safe to use, your hands stay away from the blade, which reduces the risk of accidents. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so storing it is a breeze. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this tool is perfect for speeding up your prep time. These 7-piece refrigerator liners are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. The set includes 2 green, 2 pink, and 3 blue mats, adding a pop of color to your fridge while keeping it organized and clean. They are made from durable, washable materials that are easy to clean and reuse. I love how versatile these mats are. Not only do they protect the shelves from spills and stains, but they can also be used as drawer placemats or liners for other storage areas. The non-slip design ensures they stay in place, and their lightweight nature makes.
Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description below. See you in the next video.